Toffees! I'm back with a slime review. If you're a magnet fan, like this video. Today I have Crazy Aaron's magnetic slime. I really like this packaging. One, because it's very simple, and two, that it gives you all the warnings necessary. I should tell you, this product is not for children under 8. It says Truly Magnetic Thinking Putty. This thinking putty comes with its own magnet. If you look closely, this is where they have all the warnings. On this box, it says you can bounce it. It includes magnets for tricks. You can stretch it. The thinking putty becomes magnetic. You can knead it. You can also twist it. These sound like really cool features. I would like to test them all out. Explore the world of thinking putty. They have cosmic, glow, phantoms, illusion, hypercolor. I am a huge fan of hypercolor. And then we have magnetics, which we are going to work with today. We have precious and liquid glass. Though I wonder why would anybody want to play with putty that is liquid glass. On this packaging, it says show us what you can do with your #ThinkingPutty exclamation. It also says that you can watch videos, learn cool tricks, and find out more at puttyworld.com. Let's find out what this putty is all about. Let's get to it. This thinking putty looks really tough. Ooh, it really is tough. Not so easy to pull out of this box. I hope you can also see the magnet over here. Now let's just separate the magnet. Like I said, not easy. I think I'll have to work the putty. It is really tough. Let's test out the stretch test. Strangely, this putty does stretch quite a bit. Not something I expected. Still tough, but it does stretch. Now let's go to the knead test. So this is impossible. This thinking putty is the most toughest putty I have ever come across. Now let's try out some tricks. Some magnet tricks. Whoa, check this out. Okay, I don't know if you all have seen the movie Life, but this totally reminds me of the alien Calvin. And it's a bit freaky. You see what I mean? The rest of it is fun. Just be sure to keep the magnet away from all your electronic gadgets. Now let's get to the bounce test. They weren't kidding, it really does bounce. Next up is the attraction test. One of the best tests so far. This slime monster is really eating up the magnet. Yikes! Last test is the twist test. Whoa! It twists! Look at it go! Woohoo! Toffees, I hope you enjoyed this slime reveal. Stick around for more. If you love magnets, be sure to like my video. and subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated for more like this.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.